Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to tackle a classic coding interview problem called Decode String. This problem is excellent for understanding how to manage nested structures using stacks or recursion. Here is the problem statement. We are given an encoded string, and our job is to return its decoded version. The encoding rule is simple. A number k followed by a string in square brackets means the content inside the brackets should be repeated exactly k times. Also, k is always a positive integer. Let's look at some examples to clarify. If we have 3 bracket a and 2 bracket bc, the output is aaa followed by bcbc. Things get interesting with nesting, like in the second example. 3 bracket a 2 bracket c, the inner part expands to cc, and then that whole group ac is repeated 3 times. The tricky part of this problem is the nesting. Just like in a mathematical equation, we have to solve the innermost brackets first. We cannot simply read from left to right and finish the job. We often need to pause, solve a subproblem, and then resume. This structure screams for a stack or recursion. The most common iterative approach uses a stack. The logic is straightforward. We iterate through the string and push everything, characters, numbers, and open brackets, onto the stack. We keep doing this until we encounter a closing bracket. Let's trace this. Imagine our input is 3 bracket a 2 bracket c. As we read the string, we push the 3, the open bracket, the a, and so on. We keep pushing because we haven't found a closing bracket yet. The stack is essentially remembering our history. The magic happens when we see a closing bracket. This signals that a specific encoded section is complete. We immediately start popping from the stack to retrieve the string inside the brackets. Then, we pop the number associated with it. We repeat the string that many times and push the result back onto the stack to be part of any outer brackets. Alternatively, we can use recursion. This is often cleaner to write. We can think of every pair of brackets as a subproblem. When we see an opening bracket, we recursively call our decode function. When we see a closing bracket, we return the result of that function call. Here is the logic for the recursive approach. We maintain a global index or pass it by reference. We iterate through the string. If we see a digit, we build our multiplier k. If we see an opening bracket, we recurse. The recursive call returns the decoded string, which we then multiply by k and append to our current result. Let's talk about performance. The time complexity is roughly big O of max k times, and this is because the output string can be significantly larger than the input string, depending on the repeat count. K, the space complexity, is big O of n to store the stack or the recursion depth. To wrap up, you have 2 main weapons for this problem. The stack approach gives you complete manual control and avoids recursion depth limits. The recursive approach mirrors the nested structure of the problem naturally and is often easier to reason about. Both are valid and important to know.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.